Hello, in this video we will show you how you can access the Grove Art e-resource from the Oxford University Press collection off campus. On the library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Archives icon. Now on the Archives page, just scroll down until you come across the Oxford University Press logo and then just click on that. Now on the Oxford University Press collection page, just click on the Grove Art logo to access that page. Now on the Grove Art page, just click on the logo at the top of the page to access this e-resource. You will now find yourself on the Grove Art website. On the left side of the screen, you will notice that it's asking you to sign in. Underneath where it asks you for a username and password, you will find an option to sign in via your institution. Just click on that to be taken to the following page. You'll now be asked to select your institution below to access the sign-in page. In the filter bar, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. Finally, you'll be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the login button. You have now successfully completed the process to access the Grove Art resource from the Oxford University Press collection off campus.